Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, April 6th. Stocks on Wall Street are getting back on track today as the Dow Jones Industrial Average looks set to reach a new three-year high. Precious metals are soaring as well as investors search for safety amid European debt concerns and continued unrest across the Middle East and North Africa. Gold is jumping to a new record at around $1,460 an ounce, and silver is trading at its highest level in more than 3 decades. Meanwhile, oil prices are back on the rise, now well above $108 a barrel.
In the currency markets, the U.S. dollar is mixed. Against the Japanese yen, it's trading at its highest level in 6 months, as Japan's effort to weaken its currency in the wake of last month's earthquake and tsunami seems to be working. But the euro is rising to its highest level against the dollar since last January. Investors are betting that the European Central Bank will raise its key lending rate tomorrow to head off inflation pressures. Traders are largely ignoring Portugal's mounting sovereign debt problems. Yesterday, the country borrowed more than €1 billion at nearly 6% interest, and the yield on 10-year Portuguese bonds rose above 9%, well above the 7% threshold widely viewed as sustainable. That's all boosting speculation that the country will be forced to ask for a bailout from the European Union and the International Monetary Fund.
On the corporate front, we're keeping an eye on shares of Monsanto. The agricultural chemicals maker reported adjusted earnings and sales that topped Wall Street estimates, thanks to strong sales of seeds in the U.S. market. But Monsanto's profit estimate for the full year came in short of expectations, and that's sending the stock down about 1% in early trading. One of the day's biggest stock decliners is American Superconductor. It's falling 47%. After it warned that sales and earnings for the current quarter and the full year will be well below its previous forecasts. The company blamed the shortfall on a Chinese wind turbine maker that has refused to accept certain contracted shipments. Investors are also waiting on quarterly results from Bed Bath & Beyond and Immucor.
Finally, there's a new development in the battle for biotech firm Cephalon. It has formally rejected a $5.7 billion hostile takeover bid from Valeant Pharmaceuticals, saying it falls far short of the company's true value. Last week, Valeant took the offer directly to Cephalon's shareholders after several private approaches failed to start negotiations. And now the company is asking those shareholders to unseat Cephalon's board and replace it with new directors nominated by Valeant. Shares of Valeant are up about 1% on the news, but Cephalon is modestly lower. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.